at question number 7. The graph below shows the number of days insect G spend in each stage of its life cycle. First of all, let us identify the number of stages in this life cycle. We have the egg, the nymph and the adult. Therefore, there are 3 stages in this life cycle. Now, let us find out how many days did this insect spend in each stage. During the egg stage, it spent about 6 days. During the nymph stage, it spent about 14 days. And during the adult stage, it spent about 10 days. Now, before we get to the question, let us go through some characteristics of the insect at its nymph and adult stage. A commonly tested question would be the differences between the nymph and the adult. The first difference would be the nymph undergoes molting while the adult does not undergo molting. So what is molting? Molting is the process where insects shed its outer body covering so that it is able to grow bigger. And imagine if the insect at its adult stage also undergoes molting. That means we would have insects with the same size as rats or hamsters. I don't think we can live in a world with giant insects, right? So only nymphs undergo molting while the adults do not molt. And another difference between the nymph and the adult is that the nymph does not have wings, while the adult has wings. And that is why, in order to spot the difference between a baby cockroach and an adult cockroach, is to check if they have wings. Now, let us go back to the question and go through each statement and choose which are true of the life cycle of insect G. A. There are 3 stages in its life cycle. Yes, this is true because its life cycle consists of the egg, the nymph and adult. B. The number of days spent in the adult stage is shorter than in the nymph stage. The insect spends about 10 days as an adult while 14 days as a nymph. Hence, its adult stage is shorter than the nymph stage. So this is true. Statement C. After the egg hatches, insect G takes another 24 days to become an adult. After the egg hatches, which is after this 6 days, it takes another 14 days to become an adult. It does not take 24 days. Hence, this statement is false. And therefore, only A and B are true. So, answer is number 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my discussion, please click on the subscribe button below. And if you like to find out more about my analysis of other questions in this paper, do click on the videos on the right. Thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye!